Hi friends, my name is Nandita. I am from Andhra Pradesh.
Now let us discuss about polar regions. The polar regions, as the name suggested, are situated near the poles, that is North Pole and South Pole. The countries that belong to the polar regions are Canada, Greenland, Iceland, Norway, Sweden, USA, Siberian region and Russia. The polar regions show extreme colder climate which is covered with snow and remain cold for most part of the year. In this region the sun does not set for 6 months and does not rise for other 6 months. The temperature goes down below minus 37 degrees centigrade during winter season in polar regions. The ground remains frozen most of the year and the water becomes available only during the short summer when the snow melts. Mosses and short-lived flowering plants grow in the region. Animals living in this region are adapted in different ways to cope with the conditions of temperature, light and moisture, and also according to the availability of food in that region. Polar bears and penguins are the animals that live in polar region. Beside these males, seals are the other animals are also found in polar region. Some fishes, frogs, musk and birds are also live in polar region. Now let us discuss about adaptation in polar bear. Polar bear is a large and white bear that lives in the north polar region of the earth. The polar bear mainly feeds on fishes and seals and can survive in the extreme cold climate of polar region due to the following adaptation. Their body is covered by a thick coat of white fur and it helps them to blend with their surrounding snow white background and cannot be noticeable by their predators. Beneath the fur is a thick coat of fat which insulates the body from the cold and keeps their beer warm. A polar bear is a good swimmer which has a wide and large paws that help it to swim. These paws also help the bear to walk on the snow easily. They have a strong sense of smell so they can locate their prey easily. They also possess small ears to keep the body surface area to the minimum and reduce the heat loss from the body. The thick layer of the fat beneath the skin also stores food in winter when food is scarce. This stored food fat also helps the mother polar bear to survive in the winter when they undergo for the hibernation beneath the snow with their new cubs. Now let us discuss the adaptations in penguins. Another well-known animal living in the polar region is the penguin, which can survive due to the following adaptations. These are black and white in half color with merges well with the white background of ice and snow. They have a thick skin and the thick layer of a fat below the skin which protects them from the extreme cold. They possess a streamlined body, slipper-like wings and webbed feet which make it a good swimmer. This adaptation helps penguin to catch fish as prey. They live together in a large numbers and huddle together to keep themselves warm. Now let us discuss about migration. Migration is the seasonal journey taken by different animals or birds to escape the extreme climatic conditions and search of food. For example, Siberian cranes migrates towards warmer region in the autumn by traveling several thousands of kilometers. They are seen in the Bharatpur, Rajasthan and Sultanpur, Haryana and sometimes in wetland of northeast and other parts of India. Migratory birds sometimes travels as much as 15,000 kilometers to escape the extreme climatic conditions of their habitat. Some migratory birds travel as much as 15,000 kilometers to escape the extreme climatic conditions at home. Generally, they fly high where the wind flow in helpful and the cold conditions allow them to disperse the heat generated by their flight muscles. But how these birds travel to the same place after the year is still a mystery. It seems that the birds have a built-in this sense of direction and know in which directions to travel. Some birds probably use landmarks to guide them. Many birds may be guided by the sun during the day and star at the night. There is some evidence that birds may use the magnetic field of the earth to find directions. And it is not only birds that migrate, mammals, many types of fishes and insects are also known to migrate seasonally in search of more hospitable climates. Thank you.